Trial Lawyer of the Year means something that you've done for the whole year, your contribution to our practice for the whole year. Certainly there are, everyone in this room has been a Trial Lawyer of the Year for a client or for your county, have championed causes. But Tony, over the last basically 16 months prior to the nomination, had tried 8 jury trials to verdict. And out of those 8 cases had received a judgment that averaged over the 8 cases 11 times greater than the defense last offer and 4 times greater than his average demand in those 8 cases. I am so pleased to introduce my partner as the 2007 Trial Lawyer of the Year. My wish for each of you is that you may have a partner like Tony Patterson, our Trial Lawyer of the Year. Thank you.
Thank you very much. To have this be recognized by people that I respect so much and colleagues is really something for me, because I certainly do respect the people that I work with and the organization, the trial lawyers. One thing that we all do is help other people every day, and I think there's really nothing better that each of us can be doing than helping people. I want to first of all thank my wife for being here today, and also for all the time she puts in with the family. I know that every one of us knows the sacrifices that our family put in, being away from the kids and things like that, so I do appreciate that. I also appreciate my dad being here as well, and my brother Doug, who's a lawyer in Evansville and who really got me interested in being a lawyer, so I want to thank him for that, because I haven't looked back and I've enjoyed every minute of it. Thanks. I was at a seminar, doing a seminar with John Van Winkle not too long ago, and I know most of you know who John Van Winkle is, does a lot of mediations. And he was talking to the audience, and he said that one thing that the insurance companies have done, and Jeff Cook talked about back in the early 90s and mid-90s, they started coming out with these plans with Colossus and missed cases and how they did that. And they said that the insurance companies had to be careful what they wished for, because what they decided to do was try a lot more cases and make us try the cases that they had been making reasonable settlement offers in the past. But he said they had to be careful what they wished for, because what they did by doing that is create a whole generation of lawyers that are not afraid to try cases and that know how to try cases. And I hope, and I feel like, and I hope that this honor that you folks have given me would mean that I'm one of those people in that generation that now knows how to try cases, is out there trying cases for people. So I challenge all of us to get out there and try not to make the bottom line or the financial situation of a case and whether it's financially feasible to try it be the deciding factor. And I hope you try these cases because it's the right thing to do and not because you're driven by something other than what's the client's best interest. And I certainly thank you for the award.